video is part 2 of a series on deferred maintenance and Hexagon EAM. In the previous video, we reviewed how you can create a deferred maintenance record on the deferred maintenance screen and assign the record to a work order. In this video, I will demonstrate how to defer an activity on a work order and how to create a deferred maintenance record from a checklist. Let's start by looking at an existing work order. On the Activities tab, there is a Defer Maintenance checkbox that can be made available via Screen Designer. Let's say we need to defer this maintenance activity to calibrate the thermostat. So if we're unable to proceed with this activity, but still want to make sure it is performed at a later date, we can select the checkbox and click Save. Upon doing so, you will notice that the activity is protected, and the system has also created a deferred maintenance record for this activity. The record will be created in the unassigned status, but as we saw in the previous video, these deferred maintenance records can be assigned directly from the deferred maintenance screen. So when the time comes to add this activity to a work order, I could always populate the new work order number and update the status to assigned. Alternatively, if I were to return to the work order, on the Activities tab, there is an Actions dropdown with the option to Add Deferred Activities. The system will display all unassigned deferred maintenance record for the work order equipment. So this is another way to add deferred activities to a work order, either from the deferred maintenance screen or directly from the work order screen on the Activities tab. Now, let's create a deferred maintenance record from a checklist item. As you see on my screen, I have a checklist item marked for follow-up. Now, there are two organization options to be aware of: OCFU type and WOFU type. In this environment, I have both of these options set to DM for my organization. This will allow users to select Create Deferred Maintenance for the checklist items requiring follow-up. So if I return to my work order, I can select Actions, Create Deferred Maintenance. Similar to selecting the checkbox on the activity, selecting Actions and Create Deferred Maintenance for my checklist will create a deferred maintenance record for my checklist item marked for follow-up. So if I return to my deferred maintenance screen, I now have two deferred maintenance records that originated from my work order. So I can monitor these activities and eventually assign them to a future work order. I hope you found these two introductory videos on deferred maintenance useful. Please comment below on what you would like to see in a future video. Thank you.